Hey everybody, this is Dustin RV Specialist. So I'm looking at a Zephyr today, and this is a customer that's been a long time customer. So we've been helping them, I think, geez, I want to say clear back since like 2003 maybe. And what year is this bad boy? I don't remember offhand. Yeah, it's a 2000 Tiffin Zephyr. And I guess there it is again too, right? So they called up and said, hey Dustin, we lost the door, the water heater door. So I'm not sure how they lost it, but I think they said they lost it before. A lot of times when people lose them, these plastic clips on here break off. So we're going to be putting them on a new door on there. And then back here in the back, Oso is replacing the inverter. Did you already get the new one in and out or no? Or are you just getting started on it?
We still have the old one.
That's the new one?
Yeah, we still have the old one in there, and the new one is over here.
All right.
Yeah, but it's gonna be an upgrade. They want different style this time.
Yeah, I believe the old one's no longer available. Yeah. So you're just going back and checking all the voltages and connections and stuff?
Yeah, before I disturb the other stuff, I don't want to get surprises.
Exactly.
Yeah, the other one is right over here. But this one don't have a gas.
Oh, yeah. So that's like an old, Magnum or something, I think?
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah,
all right.
Style.
So you're going to be removing that system, installing the new one, and then rechecking everything to make sure everything works functioning.
Yep.
All right, awesome.
Like right now, since the batteries are too low, I'm going to put it to charge with a
jump box?
Yeah. Yeah, separate box. Yeah, I don't want to get surprises because sometimes when the batteries are too low, the charging system don't charge the batteries.
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
want to sacrifice the diodes or any issues.
Yeah, to protect itself. All right. Well, awesome. Well, so if you're having any problems with your batteries or with an inverter,
and see,
that's a completely, compared to the other one.
I wish I could hold that ones like that.
It's got probably a third of the weight?
Yeah, third of the weight of those dinosaurs.
Wow. Well, that one's 20. So this was a 2000.
Yeah.
So that one's basically 24, 25. Could even be 26 old.
Yep.
So yeah, so completely new system. So it's probably going to be a lot more cleaner power, a lot more efficient.
Power and charging faster also.
Oh yeah, charging probably way faster. Yep. So they're going to be really impressed once it gets all done. All right, everybody. Well, hey, thanks Oso for everything.
Oh, no problem.
If you haven't met Oso before, we've got lots of videos and posts and articles on him, as well as his daughter that works here. He's been working here since 2003, and he's basically our head tech, lead guy. If you have something electronics or an issue with something, and still learning, he says, slide out related. I mean, there's stuff that people come here specifically for him to do because other shops don't have somebody that just has the willingness or the ability to like make it work or correct it or update it. So, all right. Well, hey, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, and we'll come back and see if we can give another update. And and the owners of this, his name's Tom and Donna. So Tom and Donna, if you watch this, say hi to everybody. Thanks a lot, and we'll talk to you soon. Dustin RV Specialist.